No wind, eh? I know, this is actually nice, man. Like even here looks alright. Do we just go here, then we're up that little bit higher? Here? There's some reef there. Should be right. Good morning, my name's Jack and welcome back to another Rush Gang fishing episode. Just down the beach this morning with Angus. Plan is this morning to try and get a couple of Tailor and whatnot out of the surf. I've also got my swellpro drone with me, so once we're a bit more organised I'll get that up, drop a bait out. Fingers crossed we can get a late morning snapper or a shark or something like that on the drone. But yeah, first up we just got the burley in the water there, a couple of baits in the surf. Fingers crossed as the sun comes up we can get a fish on. Same deal as always, casting off the beach there. Got the 5000 Saragossa, Assassin bluefish rod, 30 count Taz line. Just running pilchards on gang hooks. Got the burley bag down there doing its thing. So yeah, fingers crossed we can get a couple of fish in the morning. Then I'll muck around with the drone, get that up, and we'll drop a couple of baits, a few hundred metres out there. Yeah, I'm on here. It's not massive, he's not taking line. But Angus's rod just got a good hit and then mine did too. It might even be a herring. First fish of the morning. Not the target, he can go straight back, but pretty cool looking little flatty. See you later, buddy. First fish of the morning, not the target species, but we're on the board. I really want to get this drone out. I've had a couple of casts with the Tailor rod, no hits yet, but I really want to start setting this drone up. So I'll get that down there, get that set up. Look at the morning, it's absolutely magic after raining all night. It's actually beautiful this morning. Hoping the wind doesn't kick up too much. Come on, Tailor. Come on. Fish on! That's a Tailor too, I think. Just did a big jump. Oh, he's going your way. Actually, is it not a Tailor? Taking a while this morning. Oh, Angus is on now as well. Finally some fish showing up. Beauty! It is a Tailor. It's a good one too. There you go, first Tailor of the morning. Took a couple of hours, but we got him. That's target species. So now, ideally a couple more of these and possibly something on the droning rod and it'll be a good morning. But yeah, good to finally get one come through. Alright, just keeping an eye on the other rods, but I'll get this guy set up now. We'll get a bait out there. Alright, there's the first bait for the drone, big chunk of herring. We're up to 90 meters. Probably go about 200. I don't have too much line on my reel. 200 to 250 max. Well, there's a bit of weed out there, eh? Oh, it looks like a bit of reef right there. That's at 195. I reckon I dropped near that. Perfect, that's the drone bait out now, so that's out 210 meters. Seen a bit of reef in that out there. I'll put it just behind that. Hopefully if I hook up I can get a fish past it. But yeah, drone bait's out. We'll keep casting these around. Man, I think this wind's going to end this session pretty early this morning. It's just kicked right up. Bit of seaweed and that's starting to blow in. We'll stick with it until all the seaweed moves in, but yeah, it's definitely getting pretty uncomfortable to fish right now. Yeah, fish on. I'm assuming that's a Tailor. That was as soon as it hit the water then. I was just chucking it in the rod holder and it got hit by something. Yeah, it's another Tailor. Come on, bud. Beauty. There's that one, not quite as big, but another nice little beach Tailor there on the gang's pilchard. Beauty. Drone rod just got hammered. Please be on, please be on. Oh yes he is. Yeah, big fish on. Oh, this is big, man. Alright, no idea what this is. I just looked over and my rod was absolutely buckled. Oh, sick. It's a solid run as well. Oh, he wants to go again. He's got some weight, but there's probably a lot of seaweed on there too. It's like the wind's just come in, turned to pretty horrible conditions, but then the Tailor come on the bite. And then the drone's just been smashed as well. This could potentially be my first fish on the drone as well. On the first drop of the morning. Man, I hope it's a snapper, eh? I feel like it could be. Could also just be a stingray. Who really knows? I don't have a clue with drone fishing. Just want to see what it is. Hard work, man. I'm only dropping 200 meters. Those guys that drop out 400 odd meters just kill the arm. It's not really running or anything now. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. I'm so stoked, man. He's nearly in. Actually not far to go at all. Oh, what's that? Oh, I think it's a stingray, man. Oh, I really thought that might have been a snapper. Yeah, it's a stingray. Oh, still good to get a run. Oh. There he is. It's a bit bittersweet. Cool to get a fish on the drone, but yeah, I wanted it to be a snapper, obviously. We'll get him back.
Watch out. Go.
Pretty windy, but let's give it one more drop. Very windy, man. Alright, drop twos out there. Hopefully not a stingray this time. Drone's just coming back now up there. That was the most wind I've flown the drone in, that's for sure. Well, that's it for the morning. We're out of here. I've just wound the drone rod in. Nothing on that last drop. About to wind in the bait rod now. Didn't quite get the fish I was after on the drone, but I'm stoked just to get my first fish on there. Gave up a good fly. I actually really thought that was a snapper when I was winding it in, but can't expect miracles for my first fish on the drone, I guess. I'm just happy I got my first one under my belt. Got a couple of Tailor in the surf there. All in all, a good morning. We're going home with a feed. We've had our fun. The wind is absolutely ripping, so I'm out of here to go grab a coffee. And remember too, if you're interested in a swellpro drone, jump over to their website, put the discount code in Rush Gang, and you'll save yourself 10% on one of these drones. I've only used it a few times, but I absolutely love it so far. It's a wicked piece of kit. If you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.